Hi, my name's Faye and today we are going to be changing the rubber feet on one of our mobile steps. So to start with, you are going to need to have bought our rubber feet from our website. So just pop onto the spare section at the top and you can find them there. So in order to change, make sure that you've laid your step down flat on a safe surface. So we've got some old carpet, as you can see here. Please do not lie it down on the ground because you may chip the paintwork. So I'm going to take this rubber feet. You can see it's nice and sturdy. Twist. Like so. Get your new rubber foot. Should have the ridges on just like that. Hold onto your step. Twist it on, and you're gonna make sure you can't twist it on anymore, and that's how you change your rubber foot.